Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. Got something a little special for y'all today. We got the TMG Safe. All right, now you probably haven't seen too much on this. Haven't built a ton of them, one of our newer models here. But hey, looks great, cooks great. We got one on casters here rolling out. Wanted y'all to check it out. So open her up here. Now this rig right here, starting $64.99. All right, guys, just as you see it here. So we got 5 sliding trays in the cook chamber here. So a ton of cook room, guys. Obviously a vertical orientation. We love the way vertical cookers cook. A lot of cook room. All the trays slide out. Got just fire poker in there. Now, first door here. This is our drip pan / water pan. All right, you don't have to fill this up with water. You can. It also directs the heat. We got the heat coming up in the middle. Got a gap front, back, and on both sides. So it comes around the sides and goes out back through the stack. Works really well. Down here in the firebox section. Double door, got a built-in fire grate down there that is removable in case you ever need to replace it. I don't think you will, but if you do, you can. And then last but not least, we have an ash pan down here. So it makes it easy to clean up, pull this thing out, dump it out, boom, you're ready to rock and roll. Lock that back down. So guys, that is our TMG Safe. Like I said, $64.99. TMG Pits tell truth mornings, both doors, of course. So guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.